Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology in Mbbs first year for university. Start by making a realistic weekly timetable and block study times around lectures and labs. Focus on core systems first and pair reading with diagrams. Use active recall, spaced repetition, and short practice questions. Review weak topics weekly and form small study groups for discussion. Rest and sleep are essential for memory consolidation and exam performance. In this video, I will explain how to study physiology in Mbbs first year for university. Read a short section, then close the book and explain it aloud as if teaching a junior student. Draw key diagrams from memory and label components to reveal gaps. Convert facts into flashcards and schedule reviews with spaced repetition. Solve clinical vignette questions to link theory to practice and track progress with simple logs. In this video, I will explain how to study physiology in Mbbs first year for university. Keep concise notes that highlight mechanisms, normal values, and clinical correlations. Use textbooks for depth and short video clips to clarify tricky experiments or curves. Compile a one-page cheat sheet of vital signs, hormones, and formulas for quick revision. Regularly update notes after tutorials and practice questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.